The best Wales's first purpose-built 5-star hotel opens this week in Cardiff Bay. Its owner, Sir Rocco Forte, is hoping that it's going to become one of the company's most successful projects. And with suites climbing in price to a cool £400 a night, our reporter Sian Lloyd has been getting a sneak preview of what guests can expect for their money. Sian.
Thanks, Sarah, and welcome to the St David's Hotel and Spa, which is opening at a cost of £25 million. I've installed myself in the bar as usual, but there are plenty of other rooms available to choose from. Thanks very much. There are 136 bedrooms, 7 meeting rooms, restaurant and lounge. And for views over the bay with 5-star facilities, you can expect to pay from around £100 to £400. Staff are working round the clock for the official opening in 4 days' time. And today, the owner, Sir Rocco Forte, was on hand to oversee the final touches.
I was obviously encouraged to come here with some quite a large grant, which made the proposition more attractive. But more important, I was very impressed with the work that had been done in the Bay area already.
The building is certainly an imposing new landmark, but the hotel's success will ultimately depend on how the service is sold to the public.
It's going to appeal to perhaps your London businessman coming down to see one of the matches or coming to do something with the Bay, but it's not going to benefit the local people.
I think that would attract me to come to an area like this, to combine that with the business. I'd be interested in looking at it, definitely.
The project's taken around a year and a half to get off the ground.
Building Wales' first 5-star hotel is a unique experience and something we're delighted to bring to the country. The structure is very unique, the service and the style of what is inside the hotel is also very unique. But we're very pleased, I think, conceptually, we've achieved what we set out to do, and I hope that when we open our doors on the 16th, we'll be able to deliver the service and the standards that we've been promising everybody for so long.
Thanks very much. Let's have a look at the bedroom then, and first of all, test the bed, see if it's comfy. Well, I can say it actually is. Nikki Page, you're tucked in the corner there. You're involved with marketing the project. Has it been a difficult project to market?
I think it's a very exciting project. It's the first 5-star hotel being built by Sir Rocco with his new company. We've got a new restaurant downstairs, lovely suites as you're in now, and we're building a hydrotherapy spa, and that's a new feature not just for the hotel but for Wales.
Thanks, Nikki. Well, Sarah, as you can see, I found myself a very comfy spot. I might see you later.